Hi everyone, this is Arslan from Ars Dent Repair. Today I had a chance to work on this beautiful looking Grand National by Buick. This is a very rare car. Um, uh, they were made only a few. Back in days it used to be called killer of a Corvette. That's because this car was just way more powerful than a Corvette back in days. So it's a very unique car that was built by both the Buick team and a McLaren, and they were able to make this car faster than a Corvette. And it was kind of like embarrassing for a Corvette owners back in days that the Buick can overtake by power on a drag race. So anyhow, this guy here is actually a tuned version of that Grand National. This specific car has 377 horsepower, where the base version of this car was coming with 245 horsepower. So this is 377 horsepower with 420 pound-feet of torque. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is my project. I got this nasty looking door ding on the right passenger door of this car, and this is what I'm gonna be working on. As you guys can see, I already started working on this thing. So there are a couple things that I wanted to mention about this specific dent repair. Even though it doesn't look that severe, that difficult to repair, however, we have to be very careful, very gentle with the paint, because this car was refinished back in days. Okay, so I'm not sure exactly when this was done, and the owner is not the original owner. He has no idea how and where this was done, so I had to be extremely careful. Well, unfortunately, it wasn't done properly. In some areas, the fillers start cracking and causing this web cracks on the paint. So I had to be very cautious and take that extra steps to make sure that the paint doesn't crack in this area where I am working, where I am applying this pressure from the backside. If you guys know, the filler is a totally different material than a metal, and you can possibly crack the filler before you can actually have the metal moving. So that's why we just have to be very careful when we work on something that we're not sure if there's any filler, if there's any bondo behind this paint. So as you can see, I'm applying slowly this pressure, and I am rebuilding the surface back in its original state, and I'm almost done with that. So I would probably say I would need do some more cross-checking from different angles, do some tap down work, knockdown work, and we're good to go. I am using a door tool from a stain liner tools. The window opening is actually very tight over there, and this tool just worked fine. So and also this dent is right behind the door bracing. I had to get something that I can stick in between the door bracing and the skin, and this tool just did its work. So now, as you guys can see, I switched the angle of the light, doing some cross-checkings, a little bit of a pushing, a little bit of a knockdown, just going back and forth. It looked perfectly fine from one angle, the original angle when I started working on this dent, and I figured I would like to do some cross-checking and see how is it looking on the other side. And as soon as I switched the light, I was able to see all kind of imperfections. So and that's what I'm correcting right now. As you guys can see, I'm wearing mask and I'm wearing this gloves for the reason with this COVID-19 virus thing going on. We just have to take that extra steps to make sure that we don't get anything. We don't get any kind of viruses. So I'm actually using a lot of alcohol spraying on the panel, spraying around the work area, just to make sure that all the germs and bacteria, everything, gets taken care of before it can affect us. Alright, so we're all done with the result. This is what it looks like. Absolutely perfect results. We were able to restore this finish back to its original state without harming, damaging the paint. And amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm very, very happy with this results, and I'm sure you too. If you guys have any questions, comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I think it's a nice car, beautiful car. Hope one day I'll have one like this for myself. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.
Same name.